Academy! How to make puppets.
Hello, Rose and Sophie! What are you doing, Sophie?
Oh, I'm taking out the clothes that don't fit me anymore and don't use. Like these socks here.
Oh.
Although, there must be something that we can do with them.
Like what?
Oh, I know. Let's make some puppets with them. The learning tree will tell us how to do it.
Good idea!
Hey there, learning tree. Tell me once again. We've got so much left to do. Everyone, hands on deck. Listen to the song. Let's say together. Time for us to learn and do our best.
I love it! The learning tree, could you help us?
With socks you no longer wear or use, we can do this activity.
It can be a sock that is no longer part of a pair.
Good! And also have on hand
Rounded scissors because you'll need them.
felt or a piece of cloth from a color that is different from the sock.
Yarn!
Glue,
Needle and thread.
do we already have everything? Very well. Since we'll be using needle and thread, we'll need the help of
An adult!
Yeah!
Oh, I saw Gardener Tim in the garage.
Oh.
Let's go to him. Yeah.
Hello,
Gardener Tim.
Hello, girls!
We want to make a puppet with this sock. That doesn't fit me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Since we are using a needle and thread, we need your help.
Of course! You can count on me!
Oh, thanks a lot. Now we are ready to begin. Cut some pieces of yarn.
And we will carefully sew them so that they are...
The hair!
Cut 2 circles of felt. That will be the eyes.
And glue them. Good!
What do you think?
Huh? Wow!
Huh? What's the matter, Rose?
That I also want a puppet, but I don't have any socks to do one.
Oh.
Don't worry, Rose.
Huh?
These paper bags can be used too. Am I right, learning tree?
Huh?
With paper bags and color markers, we can make a puppet.
And if you want to decorate it more, you can use cardstock of many colors.
Cut 2 triangles and paste them onto the bag. One of them will stick at the base.
And the other, stick it under the fold of the bag. Awesome!
With your markers, draw some eyes.
And now, decorate to your liking. Ta-da!
Wow! Hey! I congratulate you, girls, because you had fun while creating your puppets with materials we were going to throw away.
Yeah, creating is the best! Yes!
With our brushes and our colors, with our pencils on our papers, if you're drawing on big posters, all ideas are great. Do you want to draw? Do you
and it was a great job.
Thank you, Gardener Tim. Without your help, we wouldn't have been able to do it.
Yeah, thanks for your help, Gardener Tim.
Aw, you're welcome, girls. It's a pleasure. But well,
Huh?
I have to do some work in the garden. But you can stay here to play with your puppets, huh?
Oh, sure.
Huh?
As for you, I'll see you again soon, right?
Of course. I think what?
See you soon.
Are you ready to play? Now we can play with our puppets. So let's pretend that I'm an owl that is all-knowing and you're coming to ask me for a wish.
Yeah, sure, but I have magical hair.
Yeah, and I'm super knowledgeable.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Garden Academy.